little artists. Welcome back to Zoonitoons. We have an extra fast and fun adventure today because we are drawing our favorite racing friends. Grab your supplies and get ready to zoom. If you have any questions at all while we work, or if there is something special you want me to draw next time, please let us know in the comments. We love hearing your ideas. Let's start by drawing the fastest racer on the track. It's Lightning McQueen. First, draw a sleek, long curved shape for his body and a flat roof for his cabin. Next, we need to add his big, determined eyes on the windshield and a very confident smile on his front bumper. Doesn't he look ready to win? Now, let's draw his 4 big racing tires and the cool lightning bolt shapes on his sides. Can you make them look like they're moving fast? Finally, don't forget to draw his famous number 95 on the door. Do you know any other famous racing numbers? It's time to make him shine, so let's grab our brightest red marker. Red is the color of speed. Is red your favorite color for a car? Carefully color his lightning bolts with a bright yellow and orange so they look like they are glowing under the stadium lights. Next, use a deep black for those big tires and a bright blue for his eyes to make him look extra sharp. He looks amazing! Lightning McQueen is all polished up and ready to head to the starting line for a big race. Now, let's draw Lightning's best friend, the funniest tow truck in Radiator Springs. It's modern. Start by drawing a big, tall square shape for his cap. Next, add his big, friendly eyes with his signature glasses-style frames, and don't forget to draw his two big front teeth sticking out. Now, let's draw his long toe arm and the hook on the back. Have you ever seen a real tow truck helping a car on the road? Finish him off by drawing his big, chunky wheels and his open engine hood. Mater might be a bit bumpy, but he has a heart of gold. Mater isn't shiny and new like Lightning, so we are going to use a nice rusty brown and orange for his body. What does rust feel like? Let's color his towing equipment and some of his patches with a dark green to show he's been on many fun adventures. Use a bright yellow for his working lights and a clean white for his big, friendly eyes. So he looks super happy to see us. Fantastic job! Mater looks wonderful and ready to tow his friends home. Which of these two cars would you like to drive? Wow, you did an incredible job today!
Our Lightning McQueen and Mater look just like. They stepped out of the movie. Thanks for hanging out with us at Zoonitoons. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment telling us what you want to see me draw next. See you in the next video for more creative fun.